Hello and welcome to Code Utility. In this series of tutorial, I'm creating a canvas game using JavaScript. This is the third part of my video. In my previous part of video, we have done this much on the screen what you are seeing now. Now, I'm going back to my IDE and this is the code what we have written in our previous videos. In this video, I'm now going to create a stroke around my rectangle. So I'm typing stroke style equals a color to my stroke. In this case, I'm giving a red color. Let me move this code above my fill style. Now, when I type the context dot, there is a method called stroke which comes along with the context. When I type it and save it, when I get back to my browser, I can see my stroke is being drawn around my rectangle. Now you're not able to see it clearly as the line width of my stroke is too small, so I come back to my IDE and type line width, increasing it to 5, and when I save it and get back to my browser, now you can see a stroke is being drawn around my rectangle. Thank you so much for watching this video.